Hi guys, good morning! Welcome back again to our channel. So today's video, magluluto tayo ng mincemeat guys. So, I asked my husband to make some mincemeat and I put some, what do you call this? Patatas, potatoes, and I have some cut already onions and capsicum guys. So, I forgot to buy some, what do you call that? Carrots. So, I don't have, instead of carrots, so I use this potato and that's onions and capsicum. I just already prepared. And I put some, I have also some tomatoes there, but it's not really, just only 5 pieces. I think that's cherry tomato. So, I prepare this. This is the, guys, and lagyan ko siya ng sauce. Tomato, I have this. So, I try to use this instead of tomato paste. So, I use this, the cream of tomato soup instead of tomato paste. And then, I put some green peas. So, already done our green peas fresh, guys. So, I try to use this, the green peas inside a can. So, I'll do this. And then, I'll show you later, guys, while I'm cooking. So, first things first, guys, I need to fry first this, guys. Ipa-fry natin. So, I'll get some oil. Get some oil here. And oil the pan. It's raining here. So, I put a bit. Okay. Just to make it crispy, guys. So, just a little bit fry. So, just for my own version, just. So, I'll try to cook this. I want to give some new taste for my husband. So, he will try this. So, I put here. So guys, I have already fried the potatoes. So I separate this one, guys. So I have already fried. So I just sit for in the other one place. So I have already separate, guys. Maingay yung exhaust fan. So I have next. So I put already here. And I start to cook this. Put onions. So, maingay exhaust fan, guys. So, I switch off. So, I put already the onions, guys. And then, after that, I put this, the capsicum, when the onion is brown. So, I have already the mincemeat, guys. And I have also the green peas. So, this is, instead of tomato paste, I use the cream of tomato soup. So I try to use this instead of tomato paste. So after this, guys, I'll show you again. So the onion is already brown. I put the mincemeat now. So I already put the mincemeat, guys. So guys, ito na siya, guys. Ito na yung mukha niya. So, nagginigisa na siya. So, spread lang natin, guys. So, I put the capsicum. This is the bell pepper. Fresh, guys. So cover it. And then I put some black pepper and I put some salt. So this is iodized salt, guys. I put already. And mix it again. So ganito na guys yung itsura niya, yung mukha niya. Maganda na siya, mabango. And then cover it again. So I'll wait it again, guys. So what we need to do is I put this, guys. Instead of tomato paste, I use this, the cream of tomato soup. So I use this. Alright, so nalagay na natin. And then stir. Alright, so I close and I mix already, guys. So I wait for a few minutes again. So open na natin. I put the low fire, guys. Just only 1 and 1/2 the fire. And then super, guys, ang bango kasi. So smells good. So what I need to do is I put this, guys, the ground peas. Cover it again. So wait for a few minutes again, guys, and then in the last one I put the what do you call this, the one that I fried the potato. So we will see. So guys, I put the last, this is the potato. Wow, so full, and then mix it well. Oh my gosh, sorry. So as you can see, guys, punong-puno siya. Ganyan. Ayan. So masarap siya, guys, as in. So close na natin. Ayan. So while we are waiting, tanggalin ko na ito yung mga carrots sa kitchen. And then, i-clean na natin ng konti. I don't want my cooking area is messy, guys. So while I'm cooking, I clean a bit. And then I show you a bit, guys. So what's the next? So ayan na, guys. While waiting, because the potato still not yet what do you call that, malambot or tender. So I'll just leave the fire half, just, guys. So yung maliit lang na apoy talaga, sobra, para hindi siya mangangamoy. So grabe ang sarap niya, as in. So far, it's yummers. I know husband will like to eat this. And I show you later, guys, what it looks like. And I know it's yummers. So I'll just show you in a bit in the phone. Alright. So just 1 second. So something like this. Yeah. Yummers niya, as in. So ganyan siya, guys. Ayan. Diba? Ganyan siya, guys. So, I have just already put the ingredients, just only salt and a little bit of black pepper. So I don't have use any additives or what, just only salt and black pepper, and just only I put. Sorry, nabulol. And then because I want to care my husband's health as well, so I don't need anything additives or what, just only salt and black pepper and some other, just I show you before what I put the ingredients as well. So for now I'm waiting for these few minutes. I think it's 15 minutes, it's already done. So and then after that I eat my lunch. So already husband is not eating lunch as well, guys. So he just only one time he eat at the dinner time. So I prepared to his later also for his dinner and for my lunch as well. So I have already rice here and I put later for him as well. That's for his dinner, and this is for my lunch later. So a few minutes is getting done, and later I show you guys what it looks like. But I know it's yummers. So just keep on watching. So while I'm cooking here, I just wash a bit the dishes because it's messy. Our kitchen, you know, when I'm here, the kitchen is messy while I'm doing some cooking. So I'll do it now. So guys, I've done cooking, so I need to prepare my lunch as well, guys. Hi guys, so let's eat. I have my rice, and this is my cooking today. I cooked just that. So ito na, guys. So kain na tayo, and I have my cucumber, guys. So I love to eat cucumber. Let's eat. Wow, it's yummers. Oh, thank you. So I eat just alone myself, guys, because husband, it will be eat around 4 in the afternoon, UK time. That's his dinner time and lunch time. So one time, he eat some snacks, guys, but the hard food is like rice and like that. So that's afternoon time, guys. So let's eat. Yummy. Don't forget to like, guys, and subscribe. Yummers. That's it. Try nyo, guys. Masarap siya. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in our next vlog.